Hello my dear students, today we have to discussing about this very important chapter that is going on, fractions and decimals. So fraction inside that continue exercise 2.5. This inside the second question, first question over. The second question is there, express as rupees using decimals. So paise is given means what, converted into decimals. Rupees is given means what, converted into decimals. Like this question is there. So today we have discussing that using rupees converted into decimals. Using decimals. So how doing this one? First one is the 7 paise. So first one is the 7 paise. So 7 paise is converted into decimals, that is rupees. Now to rupees, you convert it in express as rupees using decimals. How to doing this one? So very simple my dear students. Solution. Sulojana, that is 7 paise. So because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So convert paise converted to express as rupees and decimals also will come. Means 7 paise is there. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. That is 7 divided by 100. That is 7 divided by 100. This has rupees converted into this fraction is there. Paise is there. 7 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise means what, you have to divide 7 divided by 100. So this 7 divided by 100, 100 is there. Divided by, so 7 divided by 100, 100 divided by 7. This is there. Now here 100. So here 7 is there. 7 is small number. You put the point, you take 0. Here also 0. 70. Here 100 is bigger and 70 is small. Again 1 0 to take and here also take 0. So now 100 sevens are 700. So minus 0 0. Minus 0 0. So is equal to rupees how much? Rupees 0.07 rupees. This is the answer. Like this you have to do, my dear students. Are understood? Yes. This is very important question. Second one. 7 rupees 7 paise. So second one is there. 7 rupees 7 paise is there. 7 paise. So now this solution, 7 rupees 7 paise. Already you know this 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise because rupees 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. P means 1 paise. P means 1 paise. Then 7 rupees as it is, rupees 7 as it is, plus is the 7 paise, 7 divided by 100, 7 paise plus will come plus, here plus I'm taking, so 7 paise means 7 divided by 100 paise, so rupees 7, so 7 plus, so 7 divided by 100 what came now, 0.07, so divided it now, same thing is there, so 0 rupees, 0.07 rupees. So what will come now? This one. So how we adding this one? So 7 rupees is there. 7.00, 0.07. So now add 7 0 and 7 plus 0 7. This point is there. 1 2 digit after 1 2. So rupees is equal to rupees 7 rupees 07 paise. So like this you have to doing, my dear students. Very simple is there. Very simple. So converted into rupees and also decimals point. Decimals is there. Converted into rupees also is there and decimal also is there. So like this you have to doing. So remaining you have to do homework. I explain now. Homework. So homework. So third one fourth one 50 paise, fifth one 235 paise. So these three homework, only total 5 is there. 5 set to explain, only 3 homework we have to do. So express as rupees using decimals. That's not only. So like this we have to doing the decimals. Okay. Now say third question. I'm going to explain third question. So this is homework for this now today. Homework. Now question number third. Question number third is what is that? See here. Express 5 centimeter. Express third one first inside. Third question inside first bit. Express 5 centimeter in meter. 5 centimeter in meter. In meter. And kilometer. And kilometer. So how to do this one? So express 5 centimeter converted into meter and kilometer. How to do this one is very important, my dear student. So third question, question number third, read inside first one. This is Sulochana. So what is given? 5 centimeter converted into meter and kilometer. Both you have to doing. Centimeter is given. So here 5 centimeter means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, my dear students. You have to divide 5 divided by 100. So meter, so is equal to 5 divided by 100. You have to divide 100. So 5. So 100 is greater, 5 is small. You take 0 point here also take 0. Again 100 is there here, 50 is there. Again this is small and this is big. Again 0 take here also take 0. 100 5s are 500. So minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. Now this came 0.05 meter. 0.05 meter and also is converted into kilometer. This is converted into kilometer. How to doing kilometer? This is very important, my dear students. So kilometer means divide by 1000. So here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So this also we have to doing divide. So how to doing divide? See 0.5 is there. So this over. Now what came this? 0.05. See here. Once again I will explain here only. See what happened here. See first you see 0 point after how many digits is there? 2 digits is there. So 5 divided by 2 digits means 100 into this one is there 1000 divided by 1000. So is equal to 5 divided by, so how many digits are 50? 1 50 1 2 3 4 5. Now divide. You have to divide. So 1 lakh divided by 5. See here. So what happened here? Point 0. Here also taking 0. Here 0. Here also take 0. Here 0. Here also take 0. 5000. So here also take 0. And here also take 0. 1 stands 100,000, 10,000. Again 1 0 take. Here also take 0. 1 stands 100,000, 10,000 lakh. 1,000. 1 stands 100,000, 10,000 lakh. So 1 lakh into 5 is 5 lakh. So minus 0 0 0 0 0 0. So like this we have to doing. So here is equal to 0 point. How many zeros is there? 4. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is kilometer. So like this we have to doing the problem. Kilometer. So this is meter over. Now this is meter. This is kilometer. So like this we have to doing the problem. So 0.5 100 how it came? 0.5 divided by point after 2 digits is there. Means what 100. So 1 kilometer is equal to how 0.00005 kilometer. Like this we have to do in the problem. Are understood my dear students? Yes. So now second one. Third meeting side, second one. Express, second one. Express 35 millimeter, comma, in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So kilometer, we have to be in kilometer also there. So 35 millimeter means what? 35 millimeter means what? You have to divide by 10. Divide by 10. So Sulochana 35 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So divide by 10. So this you have to divide. 3.5 will come. So here see 35 divided by 10. 10 3s are 30. So 0, 5, 0. To put the point, here take 0. 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. So 0, 0. So this is what came? Centimeter came. Millimeter to centimeter. Now this centimeter converted into meter. So 1 meter is equal to, see here, 3.5 centimeter is there. So here because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. So this one 3.5. After one digit after point is there. Means what? 25 by 10 into 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So is equal to 35 divided by. So 100 times 1000. Thus we have to divide this one also. 1000 divided by 35. So 1000 is there 0 point. So again the 1350 again 0 take get 0. Right? Now 1000 3s are 3000. Then 0 0 5 minus 0 5 3 minus 3 0 500 came. Now again 1 0 take. Don't take here 0. So now what? 1000 5s are 5000. So minus 0 0 0 5 minus 5 0. So this one is equal to, so 0.035 meter. So this is meter. Now this one meter converted into kilometer. So here what happened? Millimeter is converted into centimeter, centimeter converted into meter, meter converted into kilometer. So what happened here? 0.035 meter came. Here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Right? So 0.035. So point after 3 digit is there. So this one 35 divided by 1000 into this 1000. So is equal to 35 divided by. So how many zeros are there? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 ones are 1. So 3 zeros is there. 3 0 means 3 plus 3 6 zeros. Now we have to divide. See here. We have divide. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros and 25. So how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 0 take. Here also put 0. 350 over. And here also take 0. Here also take 0. 3500 over. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. 10 lakh is there. 3500 0. Now 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. Here also 10 lakh. 10 lakh 3 are 10 lakh 3 are 30 lakh. Then 0 0 0 0 0. So 0 0 0 0 0 5 3 minus 3 0. 1 tens 100,000, 10,000 lakh. So 10 lakh is there. Again one take 0. So 10 lakh 5 are. So 50 lakh. So minus 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this one answer is there 0 point. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So 4 1 2 3 4 3 5. So this is kilometer. So like this we have to bring the problem ideas. Are understood? See. So first millimeter is a centimeter, centimeter to centimeter to this meter, meter this meter to kilometer. Centimeter, meter, kilometer. These three concept how to do this one is very important. Are understood? Okay. Like this we have to doing the problem ideas, students. This is rough one. This is rough. Using this rough. So how to doing this also rough. How to doing this one is very important. Rough sketch is very important side. So like this you have to doing the problem. So now fourth question is there. Fourth question is there. Like this one is there. Now to doing. Fourth question is there. Express in kg. Express in kg. So express in kg inside. What is there? So first one is there 200 gram. First one 200 gram. Gram. G means what? Gram. Kg means what? Kilogram. So gram inside is given, converted into kg, kilogram. You have to converting is there. In decimals, decimals only will come. Sulochana 200 gram because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So this one 200 divided by 1000 kg. You have to convert in kg. Why? Because of 1000. So is equal to this divide 200 divided by 1000. So 1000 is there, here 200 is there, 0 point will be here also 0. 1000 2s are 200, 2000. Then minus 0 0 0 0 2 minus 2 0 0 0 the 0. What is 0.2 kg? 0.2 kg. Here also taking decimals. So like this we have to bring the problems, my dear students. Kg is there, means what? Gram, gram means here kg, meter to kilometer, kilometer like this we have to converting, and also become decimal points. Are understood? Okay. Now next two is there, we have to do the homework. Homework. So second one. So this 4 bit inside second one. 3,470 gram. So third one 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg 8 gram. So fourth one 5 kg 35 gram. Fifth one, this one 53 kg. Then this one 200 gram. So like this you have to convert. This is the homework. So like this you have to do it like this. Express in kg means like this you have to do in the decimal points and convert first kg. After you can automatically decimals. Okay. So next question is there, sixth one question is there, how to doing. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. Place value of 2 in the decimals number. How to doing this one is very important. Now, place value 2 decimals number is there, means decimal, means place value. Is giving the number place value, how to doing. Second one, I will giving the homework. Place value and place value is there. Nothing basic is there. I will send the homework. Now, seventh question is there. Seventh question also is very important is there. So I will explain. Seventh question is very important, my dear students. So how to doing this one means what? This is very important. So this much only how to stop the class. Next tomorrow is next class will come. I will taking the continue. This is very